Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I will be explaining question 5 and 6 of exercise 3.5. These questions are related to real life problems. Question number 5 is each student in a class of 40 plays at least one indoor game. Those games are chess, carom and Scrabble. So there is more detail given, you can see on your screen. So what we need to do is we need to create a Venn diagram assigning appropriate number of plays in each region and find the number of students who play chess and carom but not Scrabble. So it's very important question of this exercise and a bit complicated also. So but when you will understand this question, you will understand many other questions which are similar in this exercise. Let's write down data first. N of t is 40. N of number of students who play chess, so I'm denoting it with CH, they are 18. Number of students who play Scrabble, so I'm denoting it with SC, they are 20. And number of students who play carom, CA, they are 12. So they are 27 as you can see. So I am skipping rest of the data first because that is overlapping data. Instead I am going to tell you that we will be using algebra to solve this question. How? Because we will be introducing different variables. Instead I will keep calling students who play chess and Scrabble or students who play all three games, so it's easy to use variables instead of that. So we are going to use algebra to solve this question and we will be making different equations. So let's introduce different variables for different region of Venn diagrams. So these variables are, you can see Venn diagram on your screen. There are three circles, they are overlapping circles. So this first circle is for chess players, the second circle is for carom players, and the circle at the downward is for Scrabble players. So now let's assume that chess players, those who only play chess, are X and Y and Z. So this middle area, overlapping area between chess and Scrabble is A, between carom and Scrabble is B, and between chess and carom is C. D is the area or the students which play all the three games. So now let's see how we will make equations and how we are going to solve them. So just to give you an idea, for example, if I want to write the students who are playing chess, so just D, I told you earlier also, it's a common area for all the three ones. So basically this Venn diagram is dividing students in 8 groups. So I will explain you how. So first of all, let's write down students who play chess. So this equation will give you an idea that how we are going to solve this question. So let's make one equation and then we will start solving simpler equations first. So the students who play chess are, they belong to this circle. So you can see that they are in this circle there are 4 subparts. If you want to find out the total number of students who play chess, so you need to add these 4 variables together which are there in the circle: x plus a plus D plus C. And it is given in the question that the students who play chess, they are equal to a number, a specific number. I will write down that number again. So we will solve this equation for that given value. But now let's start with the simpler equations so that I know more the variables. First of all, I am making equation for chess and Scrabble players. So you can see the overlapping area is chess and Scrabble. Those who play both chess and Scrabble. So I should mention both also. So those who play chess and Scrabble both, they are A plus D. And it is given in the question that the students who play chess and Scrabble both, they are equal to. Alright, so I haven't mentioned that D is given as 4. So it's a concrete value because D is the students who play all the 3 games. So A plus D is equal to 7. This is given in the question. And the first equation I made, that is equal to 18. So now from this equation A plus D, I can find out, D, I need to put the value of D. So let me erase it. So D is 4. So A is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. So now if I write equation for students who play chess, Scrabble and Carom both, so you can see that there are 2 areas in which the students who play both Carom and Scrabble are coming. So the equation is B plus D is equal to 12. So this is also given in the question. So B would be equal to 12 minus 4 and B is 8. So in the using the similar method, I will now write third equation, which is that the students who play Carom and chess both. So you can see from the Venn diagram, A plus D are the students who play both. C plus D are the students who play chess and Carom both. So C plus D is equal to 7. So if you put value of D, so C would be 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So now let me put all these values which I have just found in the Venn diagram. I'm changing the color so that it is more visible. So I have calculated that, this is given to me that D is equal to 4. So C I have calculated as 3. A I have calculated, B I have calculated as 8. A I have calculated that as C also. So now let's find X, Y and Z. So the equation we made it in the start, we can use that equation to find X now. X plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 18. So from this equation you can calculate that X is equal to, if you add them, so it is 10. So X would be 8. So you can put this value here, that X is equal to 8. Now to find Y and Z, let's make another equation. So let me erase this all so that we can solve this question further with the same Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is very important you need to put it in front of you to make those equations. So let me erase this area so that we can use the same area to solve the rest of the problem. Alright, so it's done. So now let's make equation for y. So if I find the players the total Scrabble players, so y plus a plus d plus b, you can see these are the 4 variables in that circle. So that is equal to, it's given in the question that they are 20. So if I put the values, so y plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 20. So now I can find out y from the simple linear equation. So y plus 15 is equal to 20 and y is equal to 5. So the number of players who play only Scrabble are basically 5. So now let's find out the number of students who play only Carom, which is Z. So let's make an equation for Z. So Carom players would be equal to, you can see that the total Carom players include Z plus B plus D plus C and Z I am writing in the start is equal to, it's also given in the question, this that the total Carom players are 27. So now let's put the values, 8, 4 and C is basically 3. So solve this linear equation, just to simplify it, you know it already. So Z plus 15 would be equal to 27 and Z would be equal to 12. So now we have calculated all the unknowns here. So let's answer the questions. There were questions. One was that create the Venn diagram, but there was another question, 2 subparts that we need to answer explicitly. So let's see what were those. So first question was, alright, you can see this question further and then I will show you the question again. Alright, so this is your question. So you need to answer 2 things. One is that how many players can play chess and carom. So chess and carom, you can see the players or the students who can play both chess and carom are C plus D. So you need to write down 3 plus 4 sorry, it's my bad, not 8, it is 3 plus 4. Chess and carom we are talking about. So 3 plus 4, so 7 students. There are 7 students who can play carom and chess both. So the next is chess and carom but not Scrabble. So the players who can play chess and carom but not Scrabble, it means that the overlapping area or the D part would be gone. So the student can play chess and carom but not Scrabble. So only 3 students are there. So these are the 2 answers which were asked. Alright, next question is question number 6, very easy question after a lengthy question number 5. So set E and F are given. So you need to use a Venn diagram to find out E union F and F E intersection F. also interpret the results. So I have two overlapping circles here. So one is E, one is F. So let me fill. I can see that English is overlapping in both sets, so I will put it in the middle. Then set E elements are math and bio. I am using short forms here because space is a bit limited. So when you will write down on your notebooks, you can write down the full element form. So for F, the two remaining elements are chemistry and physics. So this is the situation. So now I need to interpret the results also. So I will write down in set form E union F is equal to basically, so union mean all the elements of both sets, so math, bio. So Venn diagram is really helpful. You can see in front of you that there would be 5 elements. English is there, then there is chemistry and physics. So all the 5 subjects will come in union of both sets. Close the set, and then E intersection F would be only the common area. So you can see the only one subject is common between the two sets, and that is English. So that was an easy question comparatively. So that's all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.